Ever sit around a bar talking to your friends about Reinheitsgebot? Probably not. But that's what we're going to talk about in this 2-minute beer culture moment. Reinheitsgebot was actually a law enacted in 1516 and later in all of Germany. Reinheits means purity, and Gebot means rule or commandment, therefore purity rule, which you may hear it referred to if you go tour some microbreweries and they start to talk about it. But what did the purity rule really specify? Well, it specified that only barley, water, and hops could be used in brewing. Initially, wheat was excluded because there was competition with wheat being a very cheap bread to make, and in 1615 no one wanted to run out of bread or stress that market. So yeast wasn't really included in the Reinheitsgebot law because at that point yeast was basically naturally fermenting. They didn't know that much about yeast. And it was more viewed as a fixture of the brewing process because it was basically reused from batch to batch. So it wasn't included in the law. But why was there a need for the purity rule to begin with? Well, there are so many unhealthy additives being used in beer. Things like soot, stinging nettle, henbane, which is like a poisonous plant. There were roots, there was fruit, there were herbs, there were weeds, there was poisonous seeds, there were mushrooms, and animal products. And I have no idea what that means, and I don't want to know. So the law was really kept to protect the consumer from getting sick from drinking beer. It made a wholesome product. Now you know what Reinheitsgebot is all about. And that's our beer culture moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.